Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Friends, I am going to show you guys oppo mobile setting, and in this video friends I am going to show you guys face lock setting, how to use in oppo mobile and how to set face lock, how to add face lock data in oppo mobile. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, in your oppo mobile you want to add face lock data, you want to set face lock. Open your device, phone setting. After turn on phone setting, then scroll down here, open your phone password and biometric setting. Open your phone, add face lock setting. First of all guys, you will have to set face lock data, then you can start your face lock setting. First of all you will have to set lock screen password, and if you click your fingerprint, so when first you will have to set lock screen password, then you can use fingerprint lock setting also. So I will click here, use a different password type, and I will use face lock plus 4-digit password. And you want to use face lock plus pattern password, so you can use face lock plus pattern password. 4 to 16-digit password you can use, alphanumeric password you can use in your oppo mobile. So when I will use 1 2 5 6, remember your password, okay? If you forget, you will have to erase all data. 1 2 5 6, click here continue option, show your face, add your face data. You can unlock your oppo mobile with face lock setting. Done option, click here. After that face lock friends, if you click at face for setting, and once you want to on face lock on your app lock setting, so you can on, you want to unlock your private safe password with face lock, so you can unlock your private safe password with face lock if you turn on your face lock on your private safe password setting. So friends, now lock your screen. You want to unlock oppo mobile, you can unlock oppo mobile with password and face lock. Swipe here, draw pattern, enter password, phone will unlock. Again lock your screen, show your face on your lock screen, so friends you can check. Phone will unlock automatic without password. Swipe, phone will unlock. So like that friends, you can unlock oppo mobile with face lock data. You can set face lock on your lock screen in android mobile in your oppo mobile. Bye friends, to even out have any problem in password and biometric settings, so friends you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye.